Welcome to the Wedding Business Hub. On this channel, you'll find expert tips, actionable strategies, and real life advice to help wedding pros grow their business, attract more clients, and create the success they've always dreamed of. Whether you're a wedding planner, a florist, a photographer, or any other wedding supplier, we've got insights just for you. Hi, I'm Katie and this is Roxy, and we've been in the wedding industry now for over 15 years, working with hundreds of wedding pros exactly like you. We're the founders of the Wedding Business Hub, and Roxy and I co-host the Wed Pro podcast, where we deep dive into the challenges and strategies that make a wedding business thrive. Over the years, we've seen so many of our clients double, triple, and even 10x their bookings just by making a few changes. But when I started, I faced the same struggles you're probably dealing with right now. Slow bookings, feeling invisible in the market, not knowing where to invest my time and effort. But through trial and error and with the help of some amazing mentors and colleagues, I learned what really moves the needle in your business. Roxy and I have since helped hundreds of business owners gain more visibility, boost their confidence, and book the kinds of clients they genuinely love working with. And it all starts with understanding how to present yourself as the expert that couples really want to work with. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly videos. We'll share practical strategies that make a real difference in your wedding business. And if you want to even dive deeper, check out a video on how to double your bookings in the next 60 days. It's going to give you some things you can do right away to get seen and booked right now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.